Lover, and today our art standard is going to be drawing a standing up bunny. And I bet it's going to be really cute because I'm really good at drawing them and I practiced all this morning. So the supplies that you will need to be doing is paper, pencils, erasers, and that's all. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is, okay, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna draw a big oval rabbit body. Do you think that's big enough?
Yeah, I think that's big enough.
It's not big enough. Okay. It's a little bit too chunky. This rabbit must have eaten a lot of carrots. Okay, so now I got the body. Now I'm going to draw the head. I'm gonna erase this a little bit. Okay, so I got the rabbit body. Get my eraser. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the ears. Jesus. Okay, so I got the ears. Now I'm going to draw inside of his ear. So that's that. Now I'm going to draw the feet. It's going to be like this. And this. So those are the feet. Now I'm going to draw that kind of looks weird.
I think it looks really good.
Okay, so now I'm going to draw the arms. I don't care if this is going to look weird, but I'm trying to use my imagination on this. So those are the arms. Now I'm going to draw some lines to make the feet. And some more lines. And a couple more hands. Okay, so I got that. So that's what it looks like right now. Now I'm going to draw the eyes.
So that's it. So yeah, she's gonna draw some more in a minute. She's just looking at something.
So now I'm gonna draw the nose. Now I'm going to draw the eyes inside. I'm going to color those in. Okay, so that's my bunny. I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Now I am going to draw the sun. It's going to be a big sun, so it's going to be a very sunny day. Okay, so that's that. And I'm going to draw a line here. And then I'm going to draw some kind of long grass. And then I'm going to draw some clouds. Okay, so that's my rabbit. Hope you guys like it. And I used line, shape, space, and color. Because we're going to color it tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, that's my rabbit. See you next time. Bye.